Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the second part of this undergrad programming, where we will create a simple 2D card game with libgdx and Java. So in the previous video, guys, if you watch my previous video, I'll just show you the kind of project that we will be creating. So to start, we need to generate our first project. So be sure to download the libgdx version. And within this tutorial, I will use the old version of libgdx, which is a stable version. I choose to do it this way since I've just noticed that this version is the stable version that can work in offline mode. So let me just generate our first project. So, if you want to follow this tutorial, you can just subscribe to my channel and watch this complete video in my playlist of my YouTube channel. For this tutorial, I am using the 0.98 version of libgdx, but you can do it also with the libgdx latest version or even the greater versions. So as long as the code as long as the code will be the same, so you can also use it. So you can use this version or the version you have. So to create, let's just create this name, simple 2D car, and package will be my family name in your game, in your car game, and let us just name our class with car games, GDX cars, GDX game, or you can call it however you want. I just put it car games or car game. Class will be car, 2D car, or okay, let's call it GDX game, okay, for simplicity. GDX game, and directory will be, or destination will be, put it to D, or you can put it to desktop, it's up to you. So as of mine, I will put it to D drive. I will create a new folder. I will name it simple 2D car game. Simple 2D car game. Okay. Open, and we'll just uncheck this HTML since we will only building our project for Android and desktop. So just leave the generate desktop project, and in this field we can select if we have already downloaded the archive version of libgdx. I recommend you to select the latest or to download the latest version. Okay, so let us navigate, or I save the libgdx that I've already downloaded. So we have a version of libgdx here. We have the nightly version, which is in 2020. So I will just select that, click. You can see that configuration is valid. So this is indicate us that that our archive is valid, and we can generate a project. So let us click launch to generate our project. Okay, so all done. So once it's completed, now let us try to see if we have simple so we have simple to the car game. And also simple to the game. We did in 102620. We have already generated our project. It is now imported to Eclipse. So open our Eclipse IDE if you are using Eclipse, or if you are using Android Studio, you can also do it. You can also import, but it is good to generate it with build Gradle, since Android Studio will only acknowledge the Gradle files. So since we are generating it offline and we did not use Gradle, it is good idea to use and import it within the Eclipse IDE. But if you generated your libgdx project with Gradle files, you can import it to Android Studio. But for this tutorial, we are just using the IDE Eclipse. So now we are going to import our project. Just click import and browse to where we save our generated projects. So we have plenty of project, but I put it to D, so I should put it to D. So we should just scroll down and locate. So let me just locate. Okay. Simple 2D car games. So let me just locate. Simple 2D car game. Simple 2D and simple 2D car game. So just select and click OK, and it will automatically insert those files and click finish. Be sure to if you are new, if you are just a beginner of developing Android game, be sure that you set up correctly your SDK and Android SDK and Java GDK. I have an exclusive tutorial on how to set up correctly the Android SDK and Java GDK. I will just put the link in the description below, and it is easy, so you don't have to worry about it. So I will just show you that I have already set up the path to my Gradle. So you can see that I have already put the destination or the path to my Gradle and to my Java home, so which can be set up by writing this variable name with uppercase or uppercase with this format, and the location of your GDK, Java GDK, which can be found. I put it to my C program files. So yeah. Then with Java, then GDK 1.81, and just need to copy and paste it from the variable value. The same as also for the Gradle home. So I know it's a simple, and there are also tons of tutorial out there in YouTube just how to set up the Android SDK and GDK for developers for developing apps or games. So now you can now fix some error of this file. You can just remove everything from here. You just need to remove and okay, just click on the red and change it to GL20. Save and okay. It says it cannot find. Okay, it cannot find the GL20. Import it. So the error gone, and we will also do it in our Android modules. But instead we will just remove, and the error is gone, and also in the desktop module we will just remove. Okay, so now let me just run how this default application will look like. So we have a logic logo. It is the default logo of libgdx. In the next tutorial we will start creating our game config class, and that class will be used for storing constants, for defining our game world and size of the entities, the width and height of our application window, including the HUD scores, where we will display the light and also the score. So we will learn how to create that in the next tutorial. So be sure to watch my next video if you are interested on Android game programming. And so if you like this video, and please subscribe to support my content, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.